So how does it work? The kit is using a microcontroller that generates a 40 kilohertz waveform. It's a pulse waveform, and it's passing through the ultrasonic transducers. This creates waves. They're emitting and reflecting waves back and forth, and because they're overlapping, wherever the waves overlap, it forms a standing wave. And you can do this in a lot of different mediums. Air, water, you can create a standing wave. So it's where the cycles of the waves just kind of overlap and reflect, and then they end up with the standing wave, and things like this can float in that wave.